If you want to export high-resolution images in Figma, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download sharper, higher quality assets from Figma using the export settings on the right-hand side. This is super useful whether you're preparing graphics for a presentation, a website, social media, or client work. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, select the asset you want to export. This can be a frame, a group, or an individual layer. Just click the object on your canvas so Figma knows exactly what you want to download. If you accidentally select the wrong layer, no problem. Just click again until the correct element is highlighted. Next, look over to the right sidebar and scroll all the way down until you find the export section. This is where Figma keeps all of your download settings. If you do not see any export options yet, that is completely normal. You just need to add one manually. To do that, click the plus icon in the export panel. Once you add an export rule, Figma will reveal more options, including file format and scale settings. This is the key step that lets you control the quality of the final image. Now, choose a scale or size. If you want a higher resolution export, select 2x or 3x from the drop-down menu. What this does is multiply the base pixel resolution, which gives you a much sharper image when it is downloaded. A 2x export is usually great for most use cases, while 3x can be useful if you need even more detail. After that, pick your file format. For most image exports, PNG is a great choice because it keeps things crisp and supports transparency. JPG is also an option if you want a smaller file size and do not need transparency. Just keep in mind that some formats, like PDF and SVG, are locked to 1x scaling natively, so if your goal is a true high-resolution raster export, PNG or JPG is usually the better choice. Once your scale and format are saved, simply click Export followed by the name of your selected layer or frame. Figma will then generate the file and download it directly to your computer, and that is it. Your high-resolution image is now saved and ready to use. If you want to double-check the quality, open the downloaded file and zoom in a little. You should notice that it looks much sharper than a standard 1x export. That extra resolution can make a big difference, especially when you are using the image in prints, larger screens, or anywhere clarity matters. So just to recap, select your asset, open the export panel, add an export rule if needed, choose 2x or 3x, pick PNG or JPG, and then click export. It is a simple workflow, but once you get used to it, it becomes one of the fastest ways to get clean, professional exports from Figma. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.